Christy here, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about the Medify Air MA-40 air purification system. So full disclosure, I was gifted this in exchange for my honest review of this product, so that's exactly what I'm going to give you guys today. The first thing that I really like about this air purification is just kind of how nice it looks. I've owned different ones in the past that are kind of like cheap looking, but this one really has a nice high quality look to it, something that is actually nice to have in your home. It comes in black and white, which is nice. You can kind of customize it to whatever style you have in your home. Something that I want to talk about as well is the filtration system here. So basically on the back right here, you have this filter, and to open it, you just push down on these and you pull, and then here you have the filter, which it has this nice little tab so you can easily just pull it out. So one of the things that I think sets this air purifier apart is the superior filtration system. It uses actually 4 stages of filtration. You have your pre-filter, which removes dust, hair, large particles, and then your HEPA H13 filter, removing dust, pollen, smoke, germs, and pet dander, and your activated carbon filter, which is on this side. Actually, when you look closely, when you shake it, you can hear the carbon. And then when you look closely, you can actually see the particles of carbon moving around in there. And that removes the odor, VOCs, and formaldehyde. And then you also have your optional ionizer on the top here. Whoops, let me flip that around. Yeah, right here on the top, which is going to freshen the air by neutralizing suspended particles. Now let's take a better look at the actual settings and how this thing works. So this is the power to turn it on. And then over here you have 3 different speeds as well as a sleep mode. So right now we're on speed 1. This is speed 2 and speed 3. And then this is our sleep mode. And then we also have this timer right here, which we can do for 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, or 8 hours. And then the ionizer here. And then we also have the child lock, which is really convenient if you have kids or pets and you're worried about them turning this on or off, messing with the buttons. So I tend to get really bad allergies during the spring months from all the pollen in the air. So I'm really looking forward to having this machine during those months to help purify the air.